In this lesson, we will be discussing the R TRIG function block. This is also referred to as the rising edge trigger. The student is expected to learn how the R TRIG function block works. The logic flow is from left to right, which will start with the input, the logic solve, and then the output. Looking at the truth table, output is a pulse if in01 is a logic transition from false to true. Now, we go live with our PLC and simulate the inputs, and we observe the output and confirm with the truth table. If we set in01 to a logic transition from false to true, the output is a pulse. To recap, output is a logic pulse if in01 is a logic transition from false to true.